Today guys, I'll be taking you a step closer to the future. And I have here is the Kickstarter from 70Mai, and it's called the 70Mai Dashcam Omni. And I'll be showing you in this video what are the cool specs to expect from this futuristic dashcam. So join me, let's open. And I have here, like I said, it's the dashcam from the future, the 70Mai Dashcam Omni, and here are some quick specs to expect from this dash camera. It has 360-degree recording, motion tracking, superb night vision, full-featured parking mode, and built-in voice assistant. And of course, after this quick unboxing, I'll be taking it for a ride. So of course, don't you go away. And this is how the dash camera looks like. It looks like a rocket or whatever you call this one, a capsule or whatever. If you ask me, it looks quite like a black R2-D2 from Star Wars. And we can see here, it's the camera module. On the side, we can see that there's the power button and of course the function buttons. Here we have the charging port, Type-C. And of course, we have the display panel over here. And this one on top, it can twist 360 degrees, but of course, I don't suggest you use your hand to twist it. It will turn on its own. The only thing that you can adjust manually is this degree of angle here on this camera. And this is the name of the voice assistant for 70Mai Omni. It's Mics. Let's see what's inside. We have a secret port charger here, double USB-A. We have a long USB Type-C cable. We have this spatula-looking tool that you'll be using to push the wires inside the side of your windshield. Some spare double-sided tape, clear stickers you'll be needing for your windshields, and of course, the user guide. And there's of course this separate package that comes together with this box, the 70Mai hardware kit, which you'll be using this one for parking surveillance. And you'll be attaching this to the controls of your car, but of course, if you don't know how to do it, seek help from an expert. How about let's go on for a ride. Finally, I've already mounted the 70Mai Dashcam Omni, and it's the world's first 360-degree recording dash camera which doesn't have any blind spot. So that alone, I was really intrigued and want to try it out here on my car. And of course, beside me is the 70Mai Dashcam Pro Plus, which we have previously reviewed here on our channel. And we know that 70Mai has been making really nice dash cam, and this one kind of looks futuristic, and you can see that there's a animation over here which is voice command. Later we'll show it throughout the video. And right here you can see the camera. I'll just point it out a little bit here so you can see. Okay, this is how it looks like. So later I'll be trying to show you the better view of this one, but as of now, this is what we can see. And this one has a built-in memory, eMMC, which is roughly 32GB if I'm correct. And out of the box, it's really easy to install. All you do is just simply stick this one, this clear acetate, then you mount your dash camera over here. Then you can freely twist this one. Okay, okay, the angle is 140 degrees angle. Then of course, try to avoid rotating this one. This is the motion detect, which is later you'll see throughout the app, and can see that it's recording right now. And we have a lot of buttons over here, the power button and some other setup buttons over here on the side. So we'll be trying to navigate some settings over here. We have your power button and of course some navigation buttons over here. Just simply press up and you'll go to the settings. Just simply press the power button just to be able to go in or navigate yourself out. Okay, so we have the back over here, going back. Then you can see motion detection. We have collision detection, motion detection. All you need to do is just simply turn it on. Everything is very easy to navigate here, or you can simply use the app to calibrate everything. Now, right now, I'll be syncing this one over to my app, which is the 70Mai app, which you can download on the Google Play Store. So all you need to do is just simply press the power button to turn the Wi-Fi, the hotspot on. So, launching. Then right now it's already turned on, and the password is simply 1234567 should you want to connect to my dash cam. Now all you need to do is just download your app and of course search the 70Mai X200C2DA, which is the one that is being showed here on the dash camera itself on the panel. So just simply click, then it's going to connect.
Click the power button to authorize.
So it says that click the power button to authorize. So simple as that. Gives you a thumbs up. So we'll show you some animation over here, which is kind of cool. You can see that it's in space shooting some meteorites, and that's it for the 70Mai Dashcam Omni. So you can access your dashcam over here. So the hotspot is on. Then all you need to do is just well, this is what we already done. Confirm. It's already turned on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so simply connect. So there's no quality of internet, so it's just it. So right now it's loading. So okay, you try to see, and it's already linked over here. So it's basically smiling over. Okay. So while you're using the app, you cannot use the navigation buttons on the dash cam, which, okay, don't remind me again. Got it. So this is how it looks like. Now this camera is said to have a excellent in-class night vision, having a aperture 1.5 and PureCell Plus S HDR technology, giving you that great night vision, even that it's quite dark. I believe that it can give you that very clear video even at night, and we'll show you some footage a little later. And did you know that this one is being equipped with the smart parking surveillance with AI motion and collision detection, meaning that if it detects any bump, it will automatically swing over using its 360 motion detect to find out where the collision came from and record for 60-second hard-coded, which you cannot delete just simply by formatting, which is definitely very useful, especially when you are in a public parking. You don't know who your people parked beside you, who they are, and they just might do something bad to your car. It's probably one good investment to have this dashcam, the 70Mai Dashcam Omni. Now, one of the fun things you can do with this one is it has voice control. So here are some of the commands that you can do. So we'll just try a few of this one. So let's say take selfie. Okay, that's kind of fun to try. So let's try shoot right. So move to the right angle and shoot for 10 seconds. And so right now we'll just try another one. Probably take a photo. Cool. So those
ADAS calibration successful.
So okay, so those are some of the few voice commands that you can do here on the 70Mai Dashcam Omni. Now there's one function here that I never think that it was possible. So one is to take a selfie, and the second one is, okay, now it's taking my selfie, and the other one is shoot vlog. So it will pan from left to right, and it will tell you to smile on the camera.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Okay, so this was something that I never thought was possible. So say hi to the camera. Okay, so it's kind of fun, kind of cool to have, but of course it's sometimes I don't know, dangerous. If you're driving and recording a vlog and saying hi to the camera, maybe just always keep your eyes on the road. That's just my take on this one. So basically, this is what you see when you turn on this one, when you connect to the camera. And here you can see the recording camera. You can check the gallery, and this one's auto calibration. So if you want to turn it to the left like this, it's simple. Okay, so if you want to turn it to the right, just simply do it like this. The only thing that I don't see is up and down, since you need to do it manually. Okay, so this is how you turn it to the right. Let's just center justify it. I'm good to go. So want to check some of our settings, need to go out. So in order to check some of the settings here, you can see, you can rename it, you can check the firmware. Right now I have a firmware update, which we'll do a little bit later. So checking some video settings, can see that you can either have a high compression ratio or low. Lower it is, you record more videos. So this is the recording frame rate. It's a 1080p video clip duration. It's for emergency purpose, emergency recording, 1 minute. HDR is turned on, watermarks is turned on, 70Mai logo is turned on, resistance to blink is turned on. This is what we call the anti-banding, I believe. So okay, so these are some of the presets that you want to check. Maybe here are some of the more important ones. So parking surveillance, collision detection, activity detection. This one is probably, if I'm correct, if there's somebody suspicious on front of the dashboard or somewhere on the side, it can detect its activity. Okay, surveillance light effect. So let's just see. Okay, so when there's a suspicious activity, it will turn itself and record. Turn on. Surveillance light effect. Time lapse. Now this is something. Can record time lapse even on this one, which is perfect for vlogging. So some smart travel that you want, collision sensitivity, ADAS, voice control, language. This one are just the basics. Okay, so you can format the built-in memory and restore the factory settings. Okay, so right now let's try to take this one for a ride, and I'll show you the quality of the video from this camera during daytime, during nighttime, and let's see and how good this is really, and see how good this dash camera really is. So guys, after taking this one for a ride, I can say that it did took me to the future. For of course, it's probably my first time. Well, actually, it's the first time for me to be able to view a 360 degrees dash camera record. And of course, I believe that there's not much of a blind spot if you're looking left and right with the recording of this dash cam. And what's nice about this one, it also has that parking surveillance. So we did try to slam our door, and this one immediately did turn around and locate where the bump came from and record for around 60 seconds, which of course that's what I really want to happen. And it did its job perfectly using the parking surveillance mode. And of course, it has that cool voice assistant to help you out on some things. Of course, it's not always that you want to touch the buttons on the side, so you use voice command to make your life a lot easier. Now guys, if you want to know where you can buy this dash camera, I'll be posting everything on the description box below for you to follow, where you'll be able to get updates from the 70Mai Dashcam Omni. So guys, with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future updates here from my channel. And I hope to see you in the future.